All right, guys, we are going to go over this Ancel automotive diagnostic smoke detector. So you can use this if you got an EVAP leak. Let me see what it says. Widely capable for pipeline systems, fast smoke generation, one key smart control, environmental friendly smoke. So yeah, basically it's like a smoke detector. This is the model here, S200. And anything on the back? No. So I'm gonna show y'all how we can use this. It's smaller than I thought it was, I ain't gonna lie. But these are the different connections and everything. So you can use this for different stuff. Okay, when I looked online, I seen this was being used, so it was shooting smoke out of here, and you would just, oh, okay, here we go. You just plug that up there, boom. This is how you give it power. Here, hook this on the battery, and it got different connections and stuff here. This is for it to hang up, so this can screw in there and it can hang up, kind of like, yep, kind of like on the box. And this is, oh, look at that, some type of pump here. Oh, and this is how you release it, huh? Oh wow, okay, cool. But yep, so we're gonna go ahead and go over this. The link will be in the description below if you guys want to use this. I'm about to show y'all how to use it. I'm about to hook it up to something, but yeah, link is in the description below. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a demonstration on this car here. Now this car doesn't have a battery, so you can hook it up to the negative and the positive. So we have a jump box here, and we're just going to hook it up to the jump box. This is how you pump air, smoke rather, into wherever you're trying to poke smoke into. So we're going to do it here. Okay. All right, but first, you do need to put some oil in there, and it says that you can use low only density mineral oil-based fluid is allowed as smoke oil, and it also says Johnson & Johnson baby oil, pink label. Yep, it gives you the label and everything. It's compatible, and then it says just use the funnel. So we got to load this thing up with some oil, and you insert the oil right here. I gotta make sure that I do not lose the top to it. So you just insert the oil right here. So let's go get some oil, and it does not come with oil though, so you're just going to use your funnel and then put some oil in here. So let's go get that. All right, y'all, let's see. Turn it on. We got it inserted. Let's look and see if it comes out first. Okay, so we do have smoke. It's kind of light out here. Can you see it? Filming. But there is smoke coming out though, so let's see. Oh, y'all see it there. There you go. So we're gonna put it in here. And let's see if we can see where the smoke comes out. Okay, and if you look closely, it's actually coming out through here. Let's see if I can catch that for y'all. See it? See it? There you go. It was actually coming out through there. And like I say, so if you need a bigger fitting, you can just put this into something like this, put it in here, or this side rather, stick that hose in here. You can also use it for the gas tank, put it in the gas tank. So you got different fittings that you can use. So this is a great little smoke detector. The link will be in the description below, and it's actually, you can really see it. But link will be in the description below to this smoke detector. It does come in handy so you can check your EVAP leaks, your gas leaks and stuff like that, different lines, because y'all see the car has multiple different lines. So make sure y'all check that out, link in the description. This thing definitely does come in handy.